established 90 years ago by the miners and their very own pennies. It's in the central hub of Ystradgynlais, and it was to support miners and their families with learning and activity, and just a great community space really, just to support one another and have somewhere central for people to create and learn together, and to have that connection. And we're kind of still working really hard to keep to that ethos here in Ystradgynlais in 2025. So we have a theatre and a cinema space. We run lots of different community events. We have the tea bar that run every Friday that have been running since the miners' strikes. Social hub, we work with lots of different charity organisations and have dancing for people with extra learning needs, and we have activities that we run with the schools and the youth club. So yeah, we're kind of a hub of the community, I think, really. I think a lot of people are very passionate about us and have had a long running connection with us through their families and their friends. Yeah, I think it's vital. I think especially even more so, unfortunately, at the moment with things that are happening, people need to pull together and support one another. So we try to run events that will support groups that might be a bit disengaged as well. So, you know, people that are facing really hard times, you know, things are quite challenging at the moment for a lot of people, lots of food banks, unfortunately, you know, division within different communities. So we try and support our LGBTQ friends, and we've worked with Syrian refugees that have come into the area in the last 10 years. You know, this space is also working with Joseph Herman Foundation, and Joseph Herman himself was a refugee. So Ystradgynlais has always been kind of known for that kind of pulling together and supporting one another, and working as that kind of vibrant community. And we're kind of working to try and help support that even further, really.